Today we're going to look at creating an admin user. So the menu that you want to look for is System Config, and we're going to go to Edit Admin Users. And here we are set up to insert a new user. Let's make sure this account will be active. Set a temporary password. Create an email. And you can fill out display name, which will show up in your account up in the corner. If they're a part of an admin group, you would add that in here. In this case, we don't need to edit anything here, except we're going to restrict the IP address to this specific network. And if now we can select the role that this person is going to play in the organization, so they might be a patrol officer, so you can select that role. And from there, you can just insert user. So now when we look at the list of users, Jim West is in there.